Welcome to Stabull's quick guide video on how to bridge your Stabull tokens easily between networks. In this example, we will bridge Stabull tokens from Ethereum to Polygon. Please note that parts of the following video footage has been edited to speed up the demonstration. To begin, let's head over to Chainlink's transporter.io and connect our wallet to the app. Select Ethereum as the source network. Then select the destination network, in this case, Polygon. Input the contract address for Ethereum-based Stabull token. And then choose the amount of Stabull to bridge to Polygon. Select the Connect Wallet button, agree to the Transporter app terms, and then choose a wallet type. When prompted by MetaMask, select the Connect button. Next, approve the Stabull token. Once approved, select the Send button. It's important to note both the initial and settlement gas transaction fees are charged up front. The time to bridge from Ethereum to Polygon is 2 epochs, or about 15 to 20 minutes depending on network congestion. Transporter will automatically burn the Ethereum Stabull tokens and distribute the new Polygon Stabull tokens to your wallet once the bridging process is completed. You can view the progress of your transaction at any time via the Transporter Explorer. And that concludes our quick guide bridging video. Be sure to join the conversation in our Discord. And as always, thanks for watching.